Hi everybody, it's Tammy. I wanted to do a flip through of my design team project for SweetPeaCuriosities for January. So I used her embroidery kit and her stamps of embroidery and fashion, and also her sewing kit. So this is about 9 by about 6, and it's one signature. The gremlins. It has some charms which you can take off. These are little bitty spools. Cute. So it's vintage fashions basically. Loved working with this kit. I'm in focus. Had a hard time trying to film this. Just some cards that I've done. Needlepoint card that I included. It's a postcard, actually. Some of these images I purchased an old sewing book, and it had a vintage section, so I made these journaling cards. Pocket on the inside, front cover and back cover. This is a journaling card, embroidery. There, a little pocket. And I'm not sure who this is from. I'll link it below. I can't remember. There's a belly band here. Lots of journaling room. Just these are the stamps that I was telling you about that are in the kit. And she had some buttons in the sewing kit. Just kind of embellished. Let's see. Hopefully you can still see that. Just raising the camera up a little bit. Just a tag that I've done, journaling tag. I'm going to kind of go quickly through it. Another journaling tag. And I'll try to link who this was, who this one is by. Vintage sewing book page. Decoupage some napkin, tea-dyed papers. I'll have to count how many pages, but it's lots of journaling room. This is one of the stamps. Another vintage page from the pattern book. Vintage page. This is from the kit, sewing kit. This is a flip out. There's some fabrics, a little flip up. I have the hardest time trying to film. I don't know. I think it's my camera setup is not quite what I want it to be. I watched Carol Law, and she did these flip outs from envelopes. So this is from the embroidery kit from Sweet Pea. This is some vintage ribbon. Vintage material there. Little pocket here. A tuck spot. Made this into a journaling spot, like 39 cents. It's a 5x7. Vintage flashcard. And then lots of, the sewing kit has so many cute little embellishments. Journaling card. And this is a pocket. Has a flip here, just kind of to hold these journaling cards in place. This is from the kit. I just did a little flip out, fold up. Embellishments from the pattern book. This is an envelope that I found that had patterns on it. So I'll probably include some things there. Little pocket, another flip out. Little tag. These are the stamps. Some more of the stamps. And they're two different, I think they're 2 pages. They're different sizes. Journaling card. Love all the colors. This opens. This is from the embroidery kit. Journaling spot from the embroidery kit there. With the stamps. This is just a flip over. And the stamps. Journaling spot. Journal card. This is from the pattern book. I want to say Tatty Treasures did this, but I will link it below who did this. And they did layers and layers around for a journaling card. Just a cute little embellishment. Paper clip. Journaling cards. Just some vintage tags, papers, just a collage with one of the stamps. So this is a 3 pocket. And I've forgotten who I saw do this first. It was probably Liz, the creative project. But it's 3 pockets. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I'll try to figure it out. So I'm going to spot under there. This is all from the kit. Sweet Pea. I'll take these out. The vintage button cards. Each one of these lifts up. And I just put a paper clip on there. I mean, yeah, it's in the shape of a hanger. And just pin that on so somebody can take it off and use it in a project. And they can move this around. This is a pretty chunky journal. Hopefully I'm in frame. Other journal. Journaling spot. Tags, it's just sitting on this, just folded over. Just a little pocket here, and this can come off. These oranges and blues, just a corner pocket, and a vintage card, journaling card. Some more tags, journaling spots. This is tailor-made journals. It is her lace, one of her lace kits. And this is from the kit, Sweet Pea's kit. So it's my own lace there. Just a double pocket here with all kind of tags. This is from Sweet Pea. So just really cute vintage images. Button card. Just a flip up. little sewing on there. And the other side of that sewing book. And one of my needle points. Just some ribbon and stamp. Little journaling spot. This is from the embroidery kit. A napkin collaged. And then this is this just tucks in the back pocket. So, vintage. Look how cute. So I'll list how many pages. It's pretty chunky. I'm going to be reopening my Etsy shop February the 1st, and it will be listed then if you're interested in purchasing. Along with that, I will have an envelope of goodies that I will include, embellishments that you may want to add to the journal. And give me a thumbs up if you like that. Thanks.